Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start immediately. Confirm you have admin rights and a compatible Windows 11 edition because Bitlocker management requires elevated access. Once done, verify TPM and secure boot in device security. Bitlocker uses TPM to store keys securely. Make sure your recovery key location is planned, USB, Microsoft account, or printed copy because you may need it. Then open Control Panel, navigate to System and Security, and click Bitlocker Drive Encryption to begin the setup process. You now handle the core actions. Select the encrypted drive and choose Unlock Drive if you have a password, or select Enter Recovery Key if you do not. If you need to change how you access the drive, click Change Password or add a smart card. Make sure to save any new recovery key immediately. For deeper control, run Manage BDE in an elevated PowerShell. For example, Manage BDE Status or Unlock, because command line gives precise suspend, resume, or decrypt control. You finish by verifying the drive status in Bitlocker management. Look for decrypted or unlocked and confirm you can access files. Once changes are applied, restart the PC to ensure policies and TPM state update correctly, and then back up the recovery key to a safe location. If something goes wrong, don't panic. If the recovery key is missing, check your Microsoft account saved keys, any printed copy, or your organization's key escrow. Those are the most common.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.